Have you ever wondered if there's more to your brain's potential than what you're currently using? Everyone experiences a natural decline in cognitive abilities as they grow older. What if you could unlock hidden abilities and improve your cognitive performance? Well, in this video, we will explore 10 daily habits that will help you unlock your brain's hidden potential. Number 1. Get enough sleep. If you treasure the integrity and longevity of your memory, then it's time to embrace the power of sleep. Research has traced the intertwining threads between sleep, cognition, and memory, leading to the conclusion that sleep is essential for our cognitive health. Dr. Michael Twerry, a former director at the National Center of Sleep Disorders Research at the NIH Heart, Lung, and Blood Institute, emphasizes that sleep is not a luxury, but a crucial component of our biology. It is interwoven into the fabric of every cell, affecting our emotional regulation, our response to the environment, and our ability to learn. The experience of pulling an all-nighter brings this reality into focus, as the following day is often shadowed by a foggy mental state. Clinical studies continue to delve deeper, revealing the precise mechanisms through which sleep deprivation undermines our performance. Number 2. Meditate. Feeling stressed and on edge? Try a little meditation. With just a few minutes each day, you can find your zen and reclaim your calm. The best part? Anyone can meditate. It doesn't cost a dime, and you don't need fancy tools. Now let me give you the scoop on the benefits. Meditation is like a mini vacation for your mind, helping you shift focus away from stress. It's like a magic broom that sweeps out the clutter of daily information overload. Here are the awesome perks you can get from regular meditation. It changes your perspective, helping you see different situations in a new light. It arms you with stress-busting techniques and sharpens your self-awareness. It anchors you in the present, keeping your attention focused on the here and now. It fires up your creativity and imagination. It grows your patience and tolerance levels, making you a more zen-like person. It cools down your resting heart rate and lowers your blood pressure. And guess what? It can even give you a better night's sleep. So why not give it a whirl? Dive into the peaceful realm of meditation and watch the magic unfold. Number 3. Play brain games. Picture your brain as an intricate, ever-changing citadel, its labyrinthine structure constantly adapting and growing, courtesy of a marvel known as neuroplasticity. Similar to how physical exercise shapes and refines our bodies, mental effort feeds this perpetual transformation and reorganization, which is much like an endless dance of neurons. Activities such as crossword puzzles or Sudoku act as barbells and treadmills of this cerebral gymnasium. They offer stimulating exercises for your mind, enhancing its dexterity in problem-solving and fortifying the fortress of memory recall. These mental gymnastics provide the canvas on which the artistry of neuroplasticity unfolds, crafting an increasingly resilient and adaptable cognitive stronghold. Are you eager to unlock more secrets to maintaining a vibrant, healthy brain? If so, stay tuned until the very end. You'll love and benefit from the highly valuable insights we've got lined up. And while you're here, give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Join our community as we continue to explore health, wellness, and the fascinating world of the human brain together. Number 4. Exercise. Start an exercise routine. Physical exercise is an enthralling partner that whirls not just your body, but also your mind into a state of well-being. When you engage in regular activity, it's like inviting an army of tiny capillaries to fuel your brain with oxygen-rich blood, sparking new nerve cell growth and reinforcing the critical connections between them. Exercise is a potent elixir that fine-tunes the brain, making it sharper and more adaptable. It orchestrates a symphony of health benefits that reverberate throughout your body. Your blood pressure mellows, cholesterol levels find balance, and blood sugar harmonizes. The curtain falls on mental stress, leaving the stage clear for improved heart and brain health. So step into this rhythm of regular exercise and watch the performance of your overall health elevate into a mesmerizing spectacle of wellness. Number 5. Eat healthy foods. What we consume has a profound influence on our brain's performance. A healthy diet can stimulate neurogenesis, the birth of new neurons, enhancing the cognitive architecture of our minds. It also impacts synaptic plasticity, the dynamic modulation of connections between neurons, which governs our capacity for learning, thinking, and memory. Central to these processes is the hippocampus, a hub for memory formation in the brain. The neurons in this region use a variety of chemicals for communication, one of which is the protein brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF. Known for its neuron nurturing and protective effects, BDNF boosts cognitive functions. Consuming a wholesome diet can amplify the production of BDNF, thereby stimulating the hippocampus to generate new neurons. The result is a cascade of benefits: enhanced learning, sharper memory, improved mood, better focus, and overall mental health. Thus, eating well serves as a delicious recipe for a vibrant and agile mind. Number 6. Read every day. Embrace the mantra, read every day. You know, reading can be like a secret superpower. It sharpens your mind and helps you age gracefully. Just like we need physical exercise to stay fit, our brain needs its own kind of workout, and reading provides just that. It helps reduce memory loss and cognitive decline as we get older, so the more we read, the sharper we stay. Plus, reading's not just about intellect, it's about empathy too. Ever found yourself lost in a book, feeling exactly what the characters felt? That's because reading broadens our horizons and makes us more empathetic and curious about experiences that aren't our own. It's like stepping into different lives without even leaving your comfy chair. And for kids, wow, it's rocket fuel for their growth. It's like opening the door to a world of imagination, and it teaches them that everyone has unique thoughts and feelings. The cherry on top? Reading is a vocabulary power-up for kids and adults alike. Plus, it's a great stress buster. A good book can be as soothing as yoga or a hearty laugh. So the next time you're overwhelmed, dive into a book and let the magic happen. Number 7. Take breaks. Let's talk about the art of taking breaks. If you imagine your workday as a marathon, breaks are like the refreshing hydration stations along the route. They're essential to prevent you from hitting the wall of burnout. The first thing that benefits from these pauses is your body. Sitting continuously can be a silent culprit behind health issues like back pain, poor circulation, and even heart disease. Breaks counteract this. They're like mini fitness sessions that invigorate blood flow, ease muscle tension, and improve your posture. Secondly, breaks become your mental wellness champions. Imagine a bow constantly strung taut. It's bound to lose its spring. Similarly, our brains need time to rest, recharge, and shake off stress and anxiety. When you step away from your work, you're not just taking a break. You're actually priming your mind to return sharper and more focused. Moreover, breaks can serve as surprising productivity boosters. When you work relentlessly, fatigue creeps in, dimming your concentration and output. But when you break, it's like rebooting your brain to return to the task with renewed energy and focus. Finally, breaks can be a playground for your creativity. Stepping away from work lets your brain shift to background processing, possibly sparking innovative thoughts and ideas. Doing something you enjoy during your break can further stimulate your creativity. Now, how do we incorporate these beneficial pauses? Try the Pomodoro technique. 25 minutes of focused work followed by a 5-minute break. After 4 rounds, take a longer 15 to 30-minute break. The key is to schedule these breaks and respect them as sacred time. After all, they are the pit stops fueling your marathon of productivity. Number 8. Embrace the power of continuous learning. Set sail on the sea of knowledge by diving into a hobby or signing up for an online course. Each day becomes a new opportunity to learn, broaden your perspectives, and spark your mental engines. This journey of continuous learning, whether it guides you through the corridors of history or introduces something new that enhances your professional expertise, amplifies your cognitive strength. It's like a versatile gym for your brain, exercising different aspects of your intellect and enriching your mental diversity. And this isn't just about the joy of learning. Research shows that lifelong learning deposits into your cognitive reserve, an internal resilience bank that helps stave off neurodegenerative diseases. So when you choose to learn something new, you're not just gaining knowledge, you're investing in your cognitive longevity. Choose to be a lifelong learner and let every new discovery fuel your mind's vitality. Number 9. Boost your memory through social engagement. You know, life's a whole lot better when we share it with others. Not only does it make our days brighter, but it can also give our memory a real boost. You see, when we interact with others, we're putting the brakes on stress and depression, two sneaky culprits that can cause memory loss. So even if you're someone who enjoys your own company, it's worth making that extra effort to connect with the people you care about. You're not just nurturing relationships here, but also your brain. Pretty cool, right? In fact, when people spend too much time alone, it can lead to brain atrophy, kind of like the brain's version of muscle wasting. But flip the switch, stay socially engaged, and you're on your way to a healthier mind. So go ahead, make that call, schedule that coffee date, or simply chat with a friend. Your brain will thank you for it. Number 10. Heart-brain health, the cardiovascular connection. A healthy cardiovascular system, home to your arteries and veins, is a significant player in the field of overall well-being, and the brain is no exception. Regularly monitoring your blood sugar, cholesterol, and blood pressure and taking the necessary measures to keep them in a healthy range is not just good heart care, it's also a key strategy for safeguarding your cognitive health. Adopting heart-healthy habits can also be a way to nourish your brain. Boosting physical activity, incorporating a Mediterranean diet, and lowering sodium intake can all contribute to reducing blood pressure and cholesterol levels. On the other hand, habits such as smoking and heavy alcohol consumption can negatively affect brain health. So if you do drink, it's advised to minimize this as much as possible. Remember, in the orchestra of your health, your heart and brain play a harmonious duet, and taking care of one benefits the other. So, are you ready to put your brain to the ultimate test and embark on a journey of lifelong learning? Do you want to be the chess master of your cognitive well-being? If you've enjoyed our time together and found this information helpful, remember to give this video a thumbs up. Also, subscribe to our channel and activate notifications so you'll be notified of our next brain-boosting episode. And share it with your friends and family to spread the goodness. We're always eager to hear from you, so if you have any questions or there's some specific topic you'd like us to tackle in our next video, drop us a line in the comments. Thanks for watching!